Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on how to get more affiliate sales. So we're going to talk about that in a minute. See you soon. Hey, welcome back. This is Aaron Chen again, and if you're watching this video right now, I'm always coming out with content on this channel that would teach you how to be more profitable online, generate more sales, create more abundance with the power of the internet, okay? So consider subscribing to this channel at any time, but today we're gonna talk about how to get more affiliate sales, right? And I'm gonna show you how to do this in 5 steps, right? Pretty simple stuff, but a lot of people don't really know how this really works, okay? Now, before I cover this stuff, the only reason why I know this is because I failed for a long time. I've been online for 11 years. I failed for 8, spent more than $90,000 in my first 8 years. In total now, probably spent close to $300,000 on my business. So I know a thing or two when it comes to generating more affiliate sales because I've been doing it for a long time. And the biggest thing I would say is that point number 1 is that you must stay away from done for you stuff, okay? So if you've been trying to make affiliate sales online, let's focus on digital affiliate marketing where the products are digital, they're not physical, right? Is that in this industry, affiliate marketing, unfortunately there's a lot of people out there hawking done for you stuff, like done for you systems, done for you marketing systems, done for you review websites, done for you business in a boxes. And the reality is that these types of products actually hinder your success, because if you imagine how done for you products work, all they are their replicated websites, right? So if I create a replicated website for you and I just sell it to you, then you might do pretty well. But the problem is that a lot of these product creators, when they sell done for you stuff, their goal is to sell as many of them as humanly possible, right? So if I sell 10,000 units of a done for you website, what do you think is going to happen? Well, in the affiliate marketing industry, unfortunately, everybody leads you back to the same type of traffic sources, usually solo ads or something like that, right? Now, if there are 10,000 people online using the same done for you websites, what do you think is going to happen? Well, everybody looks the same, right? Now, if everybody looks the same, then your conversions are going to drop dramatically, okay? And that's the reason why a lot of people don't understand how to generate more sales, because they think that by using a done-for-you system, they save time, they save money, they save work, when actually it's an illusion, and it makes you spend more money, waste more time, and gets you even more confused than if you were to learn how to market properly on your own in the first place, okay? So the big mistake that a lot of people make is they trust these product creators that create these done for you stuff, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to scratch that. You never ever want to use a done for you system, okay? The only time you should ever use a done for you system is if you're going to pay someone 40,000 US dollars to create a done for you system specifically for yourself, because that's how much it costs, all right? If you really want someone to build everything from scratch, write all your emails, write all your sales pages, do your review sites, your entire process, it's not cheap. It costs a lot of money. So if you're going to be paying something like $50 or $100 or $200, for a done for you system, it's not really done for you, because it's just 100% replicated, and you've got 10,000 other people that are using the same thing. And so you're going to suffer, and you're not really going to understand the fundamentals of marketing. That's why a lot of people fail, okay? That's reason number 1. The second thing is that you need to learn to be unique, okay? Just the I guess the knock-on effect of done for you stuff is that because everybody looks the same, then when people land on your website or they get your emails, they've seen it before, right? And when they've seen that stuff before, people get very suspicious, okay? Because if they keep seeing the same capture pages, keep seeing the same websites, they keep seeing the same videos, they keep seeing the same emails, they're like, I've seen this like 5 times already. I've seen this product 5 times. Then they're not going to want to buy. So the way around that is to be unique, okay? So how do you be unique? Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is inject yourself into the marketing process. Now, it's not difficult. A lot of people think, when they think of being unique and when they think of them having to put themselves in front of their marketing, they get really scared, right? But the truth is that if you understand how to market the right way, and you can inject yourself into the sales process, it's pretty simple. You just have to be shown exactly how to do it. You don't have to be some massive guru and have amazing production value. Like, you don't need to hire, Lamborghinis and Ferraris and a mansion and girls and helicopters, or you don't need any of that stuff. You can keep it super simple. But as long as it's unique and nobody else has it, your conversions go up. Okay, so consider, doing your own marketing. Consider being unique and not using other people's replicated, done for you stuff, right? The third thing is you need to learn real marketing. Look, this is affiliate marketing, right? This is an industry where you can literally change your life. You can create 5, 6, 7 figures with affiliate marketing. I mean, how many other industries out there in the world do you know of where you can create that much income from the power of just your laptop and your internet connection? There's very, very few industries that allow you to do that. And yet, people are not willing to spend a little bit more time and a little bit more money to learn the skill of real marketing so that they can create 5, 6, 7 figures, right? Instead, what they want to do is they want to take shortcuts. They want to spend $7 on a done-for-you system. How can you expect this $7 done-for-you system to create you 6 figures? Logically, it just doesn't make sense. And yet people still try to find these done-for-you stuff, that cheap done-for-you systems that are supposed to give them everything, which is just simply impossible, all right? So what you need to understand is you need to learn real marketing. Now, what's real marketing, right? You might be like, Aaron, I don't understand. What is real marketing? Well, it's very simple, okay? What you have to learn is you have to learn how to pick real products. Okay, you have to learn how to create a simple sales process. You have to learn how to attract people. You have to learn how to give value. You have to learn how to do a little bit of video, right? And all of this stuff, when I'm talking about it, it might sound very, very confusing all at one go. But if you had a program that would structure this out very, very step by step, then actually it's not as difficult as you think. Sorry, I've got to. Oh, okay, that's a lot better. Sorry about that. So all you need is a step-by-step process to show you how to do all this stuff. And when you have a step-by-step process, this stuff becomes very, very simple, okay? When you don't have the right information, then yeah, real marketing is very, very hard to learn because there are quite a few steps. It's like putting a Rubik's Cube together, right? If I gave you a Rubik's Cube and I didn't teach you the algorithms or the method on how to get all 6 sides, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, all 6 sides the same color, then you would spend days and weeks and months, maybe even years trying to figure out how to do it. However, if I gave you a Rubik's Cube and I told you the exact step by step on how to match all 6 sides with the same color, it's actually pretty simple, right? But you have to be given that formula, right? And that's what real marketing is about, okay? It's about understanding how to pick great products, how to target the right audience, how to give them value, how to magnetize people towards you, how to get people to know, like, and trust you through the power of the internet so that they actually want to buy from you. It's not about slapping them with a sales page or a replicated sales page and then buying traffic from the same pool of traffic where everybody, like tens of thousands of marketers, are sent to. That's how you fail, okay? So it's about learning real value, real marketing, sorry, okay? The fourth thing is about adding value, okay? So look, if you're going to want to sell something online, okay, you don't want to be sending them directly to a sales page because everybody's doing that. Think about this. You wake up in the morning, you check your news, you're going to see ads. You check Facebook, you see ads. You check Instagram, you see ads. You check, YouTube, you see ads. You see literally everywhere is you're being sold to all the time. So if you're just sending people directly to a sales page and you're expecting them to buy your dog training product or your 6-pack ab product or your affiliate marketing training product or your MLM product, do you think that they're actually going to want to buy from you? Absolutely not, because they're just being sold every single day, left, right, and center, right? So what you need to do is you need to do the complete opposite of what everybody's doing, okay? When everybody zigs, you need to zag, right? If you follow the herd, you're just going to get massacred, like the herd is going to get massacred. You got to go in the opposite direction. And the opposite direction is actually teaching people what they went there to learn in the first place. I know that sounds like a very strange concept, but you need to think about the sale last and you need to think about your audience first. Okay, that means give them the most value so that they can't afford to want to go to anybody else because you're the person that's going to teach them how to do it. Okay, and once you've built enough magnetism that way and enough trust, they're going to buy your stuff. That's just naturally how it works, right? Everything that if you think about it, a lot of the stuff that you buy online, if a friend came to you and recommended a product, the chances that you're going to buy the product is going to be pretty high, right? When somebody recommends a movie or a book, what are the chances that you're actually going to go to watch that movie or pick up that book? Pretty high. So this is the same thing. When you add value, you're like becoming a friend. You're building this virtual relationship online that is trust, essentially. And once somebody trusts you and you recommend something, they're going to want to buy from you. And that's how it really works, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to cover before we wrap this up is you need to sell good stuff, okay? Don't sell garbage. There are a lot of people online trying to do affiliate sales, and they get stuck in this whole concept of, like if you've ever been on ClickBank before. ClickBank is one of the biggest marketplaces out there, right? Everybody talks about the gravity score. Okay, now the gravity score is bullshit, right? All the gravity score means is that that product has been sold more by other affiliates. That doesn't necessarily mean that the product is good. It just means that a lot more people are promoting it. That's it. Okay, it doesn't even necessarily mean that the sales page is better than other sales pages. It just means that more people are selling that program. That's all it means, right? So the gravity score is an illusion, okay? Because when you understand all this stuff, step 1, 2, 3, 4, you can sell anything. It doesn't matter. Even if the website is really horrible, you can still sell it because you did all the selling prior to the person even hitting the sales page. Does that make sense, right? This is pre-selling at its best. Okay, you want to be able to sell you and not the product. People people make sales in affiliate marketing because people want to work with other people, not because they want that specific product necessarily. All right, but the thing that really helps is that if you sell a good program and somebody buys it, and they're actually getting results from that actual product, then they're going to trust you even more. So if you make another recommendation in the future, they're going to want to rebuy from you. Does that make sense, right? The problem with just selling a whole bunch of garbage that has high gravity scores is that the product could be actually pretty bad. And then if you sell that product to someone, they buy it, they're going to want a refund. Okay, and then your refund rate is going to be super high. And when you email them again with another promotion, they're never going to want to buy from you ever again. Does that make sense, right? So it's about giving people good stuff, giving people the things that they really want and things that will help them to change their lives. And when you do that in a right way and you put all these marketing components together, that's how you win and generate a ton of affiliate sales, okay? So these are the 5 steps that you have to implement, right? Don't listen to all these gurus where they're talking about replicated stuff. You don't have to do anything. You push a button, money's going to rain from the sky. If you really believe that, then you're never going to make a single cent through affiliate marketing, okay? And this is the way that I know how, the top 5 steps that I've used and hundreds of my students use every single day to generate sales in the most competitive niche markets in the world. Okay, because when you use this stuff properly, you can compete against anybody and stand head and shoulders above everybody else. Okay, so I want to know what you thought of this video. Okay, have you heard of this stuff before? Let me know in the comments below what what are some of the aha moments that you had today. And if you appreciated this video, if you got some value, would appreciate some thumbs ups. All right, and if you're like, Aaron, this sounds great, right? 5 steps, it sounds good, but how do I do all this stuff? Right? How do I stay away from done for you stuff? How do I be unique exactly, step by step? How do I learn real marketing? That's a huge one, okay? How do I add value if I am just getting started today and I don't really know how to add value, all right? And how do I know what is good or what's not good? Well, I'd love to teach you all that stuff, okay? So if you would like, I've got a free training workshop where you can get free access to. All you have to do is click the link right below this video. You'll see it in the description box. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to lead you to my website. On that website, enter your best email address because I'm going to send you a free training directly to your email. Check your spam folder as well because sometimes emails just end up in spam these days, especially if you're using Gmail, okay? Watch that training, and it's literally going to break down all this stuff for you, okay? It's going to show you why you haven't been making more affiliate sales, how to make more affiliate sales, and you're really going to get a good understanding of how to really create 5, 6, 7 figures with affiliate marketing if that's what you really want to do. Okay, so I hope to see you on the next page. I hope you got a ton of value from this video today, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.